for looking at us. Yeah, we're at Magnolia Grill. Like I said, everything's raw. I'm going to show y'all again everything that's raw. Everything's raw. Well, they can see it still, but anyway, this the concept of this place, and this is the veggie place where you select your veggies to put in your meal. I'm more of a meat man, but Zach likes veggies and his mushrooms and whatnot. Over here is the seasonings. I mean the sauces and the seasonings. I screwed up on the seasonings last time. I sweat so bad it looks like I just had a fuck fast. Ooh, Zach, you're gonna have to help me with this part. I made a mistake last time and made it too damn hot and it looked like I've been in a fuck fast.
Hold on, which one are you going for?
The roasted garlic sauce again.
Right. Put a lot of roasted garlic on there. Besides just one.
More than one?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Me, I'm going to add a little bit of fresh garlic to mine.
Yeah, I'm gonna put fresh garlic sauce on mine. Oh yeah, you put fresh garlic in his. He put fresh garlic in his.
More fresh garlic as well.
That'll be enough. The sauce already got garlic in it, so. Do you think I should mix some of the yum yum sauce with it? You said to.
Yeah, I said you.
I don't know. Is this the yum yum sauce?
Yeah, that's the yum yum sauce. Yum yum sauce is just like Alfredo sauce, except it's Asian.
Asian?
And milk. Yeah, it's pretty much milk. No, what are you doing?
I thought you said mix it.
Don't mix it like that.
It's gonna be mixed anyway, right?
I mean, yeah, but
yeah.
Okay, this is what I would have done.
Hang on, people. Now I am not using any of that Kanye this time. Hell with that. There we go.
So if everyone must know, Daryl used Kanye sauce, but the Kanye powder. He put too much in his plate, and it mixed with curry was not great.
I know. Broke me out into a sweat. Looked like I was in a fuck fast. Lord. I put too much in it, I think. Man, you still see me sweating. I'm sweating like a bitch. And this is where they cook the food. They cook it right there for you. But yeah, we're just gonna. He brought me up here for my birthday and sung me my birthday song, which embarrassed me. God damn, I'm still sweating. Look at that. My God.
Bring it right down here for me.
All right. I messed up the calculations of the seasoning the last one. It turned me too damn hot.
It can happen.
I'm still sweating from it.
Alright, go ahead. Flip them over. Show them what they do.
Well, I did. I said that's the way they cook.
They have to have more than that.
What they're doing, they're cooking. They cook the meal right in front of you. That's cool. That's a big grill. That is a big grill.
We did it earlier, but you guys missed out on the happy birthday song.
Oh, don't even get them. No, I told them they sung me a happy birthday song.
35-year-old, but it's okay. He's still young.
15 years, I'll be 50.
You alright? Yeah, how are you? Yeah, I graduated in 2014.
Are you from Florida or did you?
No, I'm from Indiana. And after this, we're gonna go see Knives Out. Apparently, that new mystery
Yeah, with Jamie Lee Curtis.
with Chris Evans and
Jamie Lee Curtis. And,
Daniel. The guy that plays 007. I can't remember.
yeah, 007. Daniel Craig.
I'm so used to it. I make mine with yum yum sauce. So this is what I decided to get.
Are there peanuts?
Yep, peanut, chili pepper, garlic, all together.
And all I got was curry
Ohio's gonna win, by the way.
and lemon pepper.
11-0.
I messed up on the seasoning
If we
last
don't win,
time.
then we
So I
let them
screwed
win.
it up.
So embarrassing.
I'm not sweating no more, so that's good.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
started.
Dangerous teams in the SEC.
Actually, they probably just started. Let me look up the score right now. It's 7 minutes into the game.
A lot of dangerous teams.
Oh, man. I mean, that damn. Dude, I'm still sweating.
Okay, Michigan ball right now.
Hot as hell.
Yeah.
Oh, see, in that game, I just want to see you guys both beat each other up.
Oh,
Had injuries.
we get it every year.
No, I don't miss injuries.
No, I think Michigan beat in Ohio State. They're like every year.
This place is good, though.
Crazy.
I like it here. Good.
Oh, look at that. Look what that guy got.
Yeah,
I
in
know.
college football, I'm on the diehard.
Show it real quick on YouTube.
Huh?
Show it real quick on YouTube.
NFL is all over the board.
I can't record strange people.
Like the Broncos, Bears.
I just painted over there. He had a lot of food in his plate.
What I call
Damn. Looks like someone got nothing but veggies. Must be vegan. I still don't reckon out to sweat. Did it make you sweat?
That didn't make me sweat, but it opened up my nose. It made my nose running.
I'm counting on the Saints to possibly go.
Stu should have gotten a little bit more yum yum sauce, but should have been in a different bowl.
I think they mix it anyway. So.
Should have told him we don't mind if ours got mixed. That's what we should have done.
They're good with those damn things.
Next time I'll send my phone dead. I'll borrow your phone and then go on YouTube.
You are?
And start recording like Hey usually works with his dad. They're
Huh?
all friends. He doesn't know it yet, but we're about to surprise him with a good birthday gag.
No. That one cook's cute.
Should have done that.
Oh, what? Another birthday cake?
Yeah. Oh well. Alright.
Yeah. Man, hopefully this one won't be so hot.
Well, what did you put on this one?
Lemon curry and lemon pepper.
You should be fine. You should be fine. But that was one.
I didn't put that much on either of it either.
Like a t-shirt for this.
Oh, right.
But,
There you go. Looks more buttery than anything.
yeah, there's my dish when it's done. Can y'all see it? Yeah. This is my dish. It's I don't know what you want to call it, but it looks good. Ooh, Lord. Okay, I don't smell. It don't smell that bad.
Should have bought a stand there.
What?
Should have bought a stand.
That's what we got. The salt shaker. Shit, it's not even gonna show us.
Well, here.
We'll be recording strange people. We got stuff together.
Well, get over here. Get over here. Get over one table. Come over to the inside.
You gotta do it like that. You gotta have something in front of it too.
There you go.
But yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, YouTube World, I thought I'd show you this place.
Mukbang 2.0.
I guess you want to call this a Mukbang 2.0. Let me move it over there.
There we go.
Mukbang 2.0, I guess, yeah. I think this is chicken. This is chicken.
What I just grabbed was a piece of crab. Ooh. They didn't chop the crab very good, but they were a big piece.
This plate ain't as bad as the first one.
Not? Okay.
It's not that spicy.
Oh, well. Okay. Well, come on. Yeah. It tastes more buttery now. Here.
I feel the effects of the first plate still.
Go ahead and grab more of mine.
What? I don't know what to grab. I can't tell what
Crab,
is what.
mushroom, shrimp,
I don't know what this is.
the crab.
Ooh, I don't like it.
There you go, shrimp. Not mushroom. Shrimp.
Sure. Say that. Jack's dish is good.
It's
My
more
dish-
peppery than I remembered.
My dish is good. It's pretty good.
By the way, YouTube
I
rules.
think I taste the yum yum sauce.
There you go. That's probably what made it buttery, like.
The yum yum sauce kind of got like a sweet taste to it, kind of. Man, they don't.
We should have done that for the first time, but it's okay.
Yeah, we didn't think about doing it the first time. Yeah, I got some of that. I'm too damn far away from the camera. But anyway, everything brought here. You just pick your ingredients, have the delicious cooks cook it for you.
Don't worry, next time I'll steal his phone, so that way you can get see the actual happy birthday song to Daryl.
Oh, I forgot to do that. But yeah, they sung me happy birthday. I wanted the hat on. He's the best looking cook.
We both have hats.
I know, but the other one's cute. A bit shy. He don't talk as much as the other one does.
I can't believe Steven, our friend, told us he was going to be able to come today.
Yeah, and he got dialysis.
He told us, he messaged us saying he would be out at this time. But then I find out that he's going in at 9:10. Yet again, he thought I was getting off at 5:30. Unfortunately, that was not the case.
That was my bad. I told him 5:30. That was my fault.
We'll make it up to him.
Yeah. Because what we were going to do, because what me and Stephen was going to do was we was going to smoke a pre-roll before we came out here. What?
You don't say that really on there.
You say dick and pussy on all the time. So anyway.
Okay.
Let me see how, change the subject. There we go.
Subject went way too south for me.
Yeah, it went over his head. Anyway, I got chicken and shrimp and pasta. I guess you call this a, chicken, what the hell would you call it?
What you got on there?
Chicken, shrimp, and pasta.
Well, it's technically pasta.
Yeah.
It's got the lime. He's got the yum lime.
Yeah, it's got the yum yum sauce and roasted garlic.
He's got the garlic, yum, lime, shrimp and chicken pasta.
That yum yum sauce just kills the taste of the garlic. You don't even hardly taste the garlic at all. It's not as strong.
No.
I mean, it's still there, but it's not as strong as the last dish.
We probably both should have gotten a little bit more garlic. I haven't even tasted none of my peanuts.
I didn't even see him. Wasn't he the cook last time here?
I think he was, yeah.
Yeah. He was a pretty cool dude, too. I told Steven I floated with a cook the last time I came here. Steven goes, what did you say to him? I told Steven, I said, I didn't really say much. I just said Zach's the one that pointed it out. I told Steven, I said, I just told him he works good with those prawns on the grill. And I told Steven, he said he's been doing it for a while. And I told Steven, I said, I bet you have. We should flirt with someone here. Any ladies in here that tickle your fancy?
No, not like that one lady last time.
I know that last waitress we had, well, she was pretty. I will admit that. But this shit's good.
Oh, yeah.
It's $18.
And when you come here, you get a side of tortilla.
You get some tortillas.
Or rice.
Or rice. And sometimes what I like to do is take my tortilla and stick what I cook in it and make a tortilla out of it. Oh,
That's the whole
it's
point.
good.
Technically, it's an Asian / Mexican restaurant.
It is?
Technically, yeah.
But it's good, though. For $18?
Lunch special. It's only 13.
Oh, lunch special, 13.
18 on dinner.
18 of that. How did I get corn in here?
The person next to it was having corn.
Oh, yeah, look at this. Little tiny piece of...
Well, you stab it in there.
Look, a lima bean.
Wow.
Ingredients I didn't even put in the damn thing. But if it works, it works. But yeah, see? Just put it in there like that. It's good. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty damn good. Sweet. I don't know where the sweet taste might be coming from the yum yum sauce.
Ooh. I finally ate my peanut.
You did?
One of them.
Now, when they cook peanuts, does that soften them or does it make them even harder?
So,
You think it'd make it harder, wouldn't it? Are they soft or hard?
right.
That shit's hard as a brick.
No, put it in your mouth.
I can't chew that.
But it's small enough you can just swallow it. Just try it.
You got me swallowing peanuts like damn. What do they call those birds?
You guys want more bowls?
No.
We're good. Can you use the spice to go up there and do that?
Huh?
Or do you have to use your bowl?
You have to use the bowl.
They won't let you take the plates up there and do that?
No.
Scared you don't hit too much on there.
No, it just...
I can't even swallow that damn peanut whole, so I just, hang on.
Well, that's why I gave it to you. It's
Wash it down.
such a small... Their peanuts are so small
Yeah.
that
you just
you
wash
could
it
just
down.
swallow it whole if you can't chew it.
I'm just freaking dying for a damn cigarette. This food is good. I love seafood, so it works out good for me. I love pasta too. I think everyone here that eats here, I think everyone that eats here makes at least a pasta bowl. At least.
Pretty much.
But what I like about it is you can choose your own ingredients. choose how much seasoning you want in it. You can choose. You have control of your whole dish. The whole aspect of your dish, you have control over it. I love it. For the YouTube followers that live in Florida, this place called Mongolian Grill, but it might be somewhere other states too. I'm not sure.
Well, I know there's one in Orlando.
There's one in Orlando. He said. I bet you that one's more expensive than it's in a bigger city.
Tourist area, yeah. Probably.
But it is a good place to go check out and eat. I love it here. Friendly staff, good staff.
Guys, just letting you know, it's called BD's Mongolian Grill. Google it.
BD?
It's BD.
Yeah, BD Mongolian Grill.
It is the best place to eat.
It sure is.
It does get expensive. I brought 4 people here once during dinner time. $84.99 for 4 people.
Expensive as hell. But you can't beat it. But you get control of your own food, your own seasoning. Staff's great. You can't beat it.
They also have if you have allergic to some foods, they have a place where you can cook it, a small little window that is allergic-free cook. And he'll cook things so depending on what you're allergic to or whatnot.
Oh, so that's what that other one is for?
If you have allergic reaction, like my friend has allergic to seafood, but you can eat crab, but she'll grab the crab and take it over to the the side where she might be allergic to, and they cook it for her in a special way.
Sorry, cigarette smoke's killing me. That's going to be just. That is going to be just.
If I ever get that fat, you kill me. You hear
That's
me?
nasty.
If I get that fat, you kill me.
How would I kill you? That's Justin. That's what Justin's going to look like in a couple of years. He keeps going.
Walter told me that. He saw a person bigger than him, like that, and he told me if he ever get that fat, I kill him. And I told him I will.
How?
I'll choke him out like Jabba the Hutt. Princess Leia did the Jabba the Hutt. I'll get an iron chain around his throat to put him out of his misery.
I think I got one of your darn peanuts in my meal somehow.
You're a peanut freak.
But this meal I got is good. Shrimp's nice. Melt in your mouth shrimp. You get quality ingredients here. The noodles are well cooked.
Yeah, not even that. How full are you?
I'm starting to get full. Whew. That first plate's still hitting me, man, that heat. Of course, I'm using the same fork.
I'm looking for the game. There it is. Ooh.
Yeah, they have a bar here. It's like a bar and grill thing. Yeah, sports TV.
It's going to be a close one.
I don't know if you consider this a mukbang or not, but it's live. And I thought I'd show you the place. Looks good. It's chicken. This chicken is off the chain.
Everybody also root for right now, if you're watching a football game, Ohio State with Michigan. Michigan is going down. Ohio State will win it 7-6. Michigan have first ball. From what it looks like, it is Michigan's ball again. Ohio State is going to win 12-0.
He loves sports. Only time I'm interested in football is if the trunks or something comes off. That's the only thing I'm interested in seeing.
Oh, hold on. Hello? Hey, what's going on? Good for you. I'm good. You doing alright?
I want me a goddamn cigarette so bad. I don't think anyone in here smokes. This is killing me. Not having no cigarettes. My God. Oh my God, I think he's going to try to get me drunk. That's what he's planning. Dude, you got marinated chicken here too.
Phone call from a friend.
He had a phone call.
That's all. But Ohio State 7, Michigan 6. Go Ohio State. That's all I'm saying. Dave, if you ever find this video from work, I'm mentioning this to you forever.
Yeah, like I said, I'm not much of a sports fan, but like I said, if their trousers or their gear falls off during the game, that'll be worth watching for me. I'd record that. Look at that. That guy in that video looked like he had a
ball
bowl.
now.
Huh?
Ohio. It's Ohio's
You
ball.
watching it on the phone?
No, it just comes up with the scores. I'm just watching the scores.
Oh. That's how Steven sent my code to me from my PlayStation.
What, he did this?
Yep, through the damn phone. He sent it to me through the phone.
Hey.
Take your crayons at 101.
I told him he had to get a whole year. I told him a month and 3-month card would have been good.
Oh, he probably wanted to make it memorable. Once again, thank you, Stephen, for buying Daryl's gracious gift of a whole month of PSN. Now
Yeah.
he can join us on Monster Hunter Iceborne.
If I can get Iceborne, I still have to start work.
Well, when you get it from work, you'll be able to join, and unfortunately, you'll miss the Resident Evil event.
Steven was asking me, was it fun? I told him, I said, you have to ask Walter and Kai and them about that. I told him it's just the same as Monster Hunter, just an expansion, a new world.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
So how hungry were you today when you woke up?
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Felt like I didn't eat nothing at all last night, and I ate a whole thing of pasta. Let's see, ate potato salad, deviled eggs last night before I went to bed. Ooh. And I woke up this morning and felt like I didn't eat nothing. The damn heat from the first plate still on this damn fork.
Here.
Ooh.
Use mine. Use mine.
Ooh.
Use mine. Thumbs up.
I'll get full. My God. Ooh.
Come on, Ohio State. 7-6. We can still do this. It's just starting. Show Michigan that we're no pushovers. If it seems like I'm spacing off, I'm not. I'm looking at the game.
Where is this, Russ? This is Lakeside Village, ain't it?
Yes, this Mongolian grill is next to Lakeside Village. Okay, right in front of the giant Christmas tree, right across the street from the IMAX, right across from Books A Million.
Oh, Books A Million's nice. I love it at Books A Million.
I just realized we have now been launched for 30 minutes.
I know. I've seen
How
it
long?
myself.
How long?
I don't know how long videos can be, but
It don't matter how long, but I think people are gonna get bored of this 30-minute video stuff.
yeah. How about? Think, look, damn, he's cute too. Shit.
Oh, yes.
Man, they got free cooked food here too.
They get wings.
Wow. But yeah, this place is amazing.
But it's okay if Ohio State loses because we're still going to the playoffs.
I'm getting
Are y'all
stuffed.
going to be on a check together or separate?
Together.
Okay.
I'm getting full. I think she could tell. I was getting full. But this is the thing. Like I said, I love the shrimp. I think I'll cut the video here. This will do it for this video. I just wanted to show y'all my Mongolian grill. It helps support the business. It's good. It's good. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell for new notifications of new videos. And if y'all want to see or got any suggestions for any other restaurants for us to try, just leave a comment in the comment thing below.
And sorry if this video was 31 minutes. It would have been longer if we started it when we started it.
Yeah, it would have.
But
Would have been almost an hour.
We weren't trying to go for 31 minutes.
But like I said, y'all got any other restaurants y'all would like us to try or try something, just leave a comment in the comments down below and we'll see about getting around to trying them. And this will do it for this video.
For 2 people.
Like, can they see
Yeah,
it?
they can see it. 35.02.
Damn,
how
for
much
2
it is.
people,
Yeah.
35 or $40.
35.05. My bad. But
So round off $40.
but still, it's $26.98 for just 2 unlimited people. 2 people that have the unlimited bowl.
Yeah, and it's
special.
all you can eat. So you can't beat that.
Exactly.
I mean, if you go anywhere else and all you can eat buffet with more than 2 people, you're going to be paying more than that.
Yeah.
But this will do it for this video. Like I said, leave a comment. Hit the notification and subscribe. And I love you. We love you, YouTube.
See you, YouTube. Be safe. Happy holidays.
Yeah.